A dental flipper is a small one or two tooth removable bridge that is used to replace a missing tooth. Hey dental fans, I'm Dr. Rich, teaching you about dentistry and teeth so that you can have a very nice smile. A dental flipper is a layman's term for a temporary removable partial denture. Another word for it is a stay plate. For some reason, dentures used to be called plates. I'm not sure why. Does anyone watching know why? Let me know down in the comments. It was called a flipper because the traditional ones were just basically a denture tooth with some hard acrylic. The hard acrylic wrapped around the back of the teeth next to the space, but the whole thing could be flipped in and out of your mouth with your tongue. This type of flipper is designed to be used just for looks and isn't meant to be used for eating. Even if wire clips were added to the hard plastic flipper, it doesn't stay in very well. Thanks to newer plastics, new designs of flippers can be used for both looks and eating. These types of flippers are made out of a flexible nylon. It is made with clasps, and due to the flexibility of the nylon material, the clasp can grip the teeth on either side of the space. It can achieve a nice snug fit and stay in place very well. In addition to wearing a flipper for cosmetic reasons, a flipper can help prevent teeth from shifting. Once a tooth is extracted, the teeth behind the space and opposite the space can start to drift into the space. By filling the space with a flipper, you can prevent that from happening. Ideally, flippers should only be used temporarily and not long term. Since a flipper isn't as secure as a dental implant, a dental bridge, or even a traditional metal-framed removable bridge, the teeth can start to shift after a while. Most of my patients end up using flippers while they are waiting for the jawbone to heal after an extraction. And usually most get a dental implant to replace the missing tooth. For some, they may end up wearing the flipper for a few years as they save up money to pay for the dental implant. Anyone watching have a flipper? How do you like it? How long have you been wearing it? Let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.